makes it yellow. Is that correct? All this drop-down comes from that function. I want you to add code to keep whatever color I select before submitting the form into that drop-down. So if I go and select green, submit the form, when the form is reloaded, I want to green stay there. Right? So whatever I have selected, I want you to keep it selected after submitting the form. So the very first thing I need to know the caller ID that you are passing. So go here, caller ID is equal, how would I get the caller ID here? How do I get the caller you pass, the caller ID you pass? Get function, right? So go caller -1, right? So I got the caller that you passed me. Now, if I go here and say if I is equal caller ID, what does it mean? If I is equal caller ID, what does it mean?
Caller ID is for like I numbers taking ID.
If I is same, the value of I is same as caller ID. Let's say both of them are 1. What does it mean? No idea. If I and caller ID matches, it means I'm at the point to print the option that you have selected when you submit this form. Because it's in a sequence. I print 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that right? Now if the ID is 1 and I is 1, it means I'm printing the second option. This is the option you have selected. So I can just make it selected equals selected, right? One more time. If I come over here, I got the caller ID, right? Let me just do this. I'll go select it. Else. I do not make it selected. Let me just show you the result and then I explain what happens. Here you go. I go select red, red stays there. Select yellow, yellow stays there. Select green, green stays there. Now, look what I'm sending here. Don't I send the color code every time? If I go here and select yellow, I'm passing number 3, right? See what happened. Now, right in this code, I'm checking what is the ID I got from the user. Because here is where you're populating that list. Here is when you're adding this value. Do you remember? You're adding this value yourself. You're populating the list and adding the ID 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the caller ID I get, if it's equal same value as I, it means, hey, this is the one that I selected. Just put the selected name. Otherwise, don't do anything. Does that make sense?